Hello guys, this is David Schlossberg from Assured Concepts Group with our January 2016 Educational Economic Update. In this video, we'll talk about some of the economic headlines that have influenced the markets last month and give you some insight into what they might mean for you as an investor. The final weeks of 2015 were very volatile for the markets. Investors grappled with a Federal Reserve rate hike as well as a global growth picture that's become cloudy. Let's take a look at some of the month's events. The Fed Reserve finally pulled the trigger on higher interest rates in mid-December, voting to raise interest rates above zero for the first time since 2006. As expected, the Fed raised rates just a fraction of a percent. The increase in rates is a vote of confidence in the economy, and the Fed policymakers have stressed that they intend to move carefully in the future. Higher rates will have a ripple effect across the economy and translates into higher mortgage and auto loan rates. How will that affect the economy next year? It's too soon to know, but keep in mind that housing activity and consumer spending patterns were boosted more by a strong labor market than lower interest rates. We hope that strength in hiring and consumer spending will continue to drive the economy moving forward. We also got our final look at third quarter economic growth last month and learned that the economy grew 2.0%, a smidge lower than the 2.1% growth previously reported in the second estimate. As predicted, global headwinds dragged on the economy, but on the positive side, the growth that we experienced was largely driven by American consumption. Whatever is happening in the rest of the world, domestic demand is still strong. We hope that a stronger labor market, rising incomes, and higher consumer optimism translated into solid economic growth in the fourth quarter. With 2015 behind us, we are now turning our attention to fourth quarter and end-of-year results to see how the economy performed in the final weeks of the year. Stay tuned for next month's video update when we'll have that annual data to discuss with you. That's it for the January Educational Economic Update. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about what's been discussed, please give our office a call at 847-426-1077. Please remember that nothing we talked about here is a recommendation. If you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call and we'd be happy to talk with you. Once again, this is Dave Schlossberg with Assured Concepts Group, signing off for the month of January.